The agency model is broken. Right now, traditional marketing agencies are hemorrhaging money. They hire 10 employees to handle what one person with the right automation can accomplish. The numbers tell the story. The average marketing agency has a profit margin of just 12%. Meanwhile, one-person agencies powered by AI are achieving margins of 70% or higher. This is not theory. This is happening right now. In 2024, a single entrepreneur named Sarah Chen generated $1.2 million in revenue running a content marketing agency with 0 full-time employees. Her secret? She built what industry insiders call service as a software. Instead of hiring writers, designers, and account managers, she created automated systems that handle client outreach, onboarding, and fulfillment completely on autopilot. The traditional agency model requires constant hiring, training, and managing people. The one-person agency model requires building systems once and letting them run forever. This is the blueprint for the future of service businesses. A blueprint that is already making early adopters wealthy while their competitors struggle with payroll, overhead, and the endless complexity of managing teams. In the next 9 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how this works. The foundation of the one-person agency is something called service as a software. This concept transforms traditional service delivery into productized, automated systems. Instead of selling custom solutions that require human intervention every step of the way, you create standardized processes that can be delivered consistently without your direct involvement. Here is how it works in practice. Traditional agencies sell custom strategies. They promise tailored solutions for each client. This sounds valuable, but it creates a nightmare of complexity. Every client becomes a unique project requiring custom workflows, specialized attention, and constant human oversight. Service as a software flips this model completely. You identify the core deliverables that solve client problems and standardize them into repeatable systems. Take content marketing as an example. Instead of promising custom content strategies for each client, you create a proven framework that works across industries. You might offer a content amplification system that includes keyword research, content creation, and distribution across 5 platforms. The key insight is this: clients do not actually want custom solutions. They want predictable results. When you productize your service, you can deliver those results more efficiently than any traditional agency. The numbers prove this approach works. According to a 2024 study by McKinsey, productized service businesses grow 3 times faster than traditional service providers. They also command higher prices because clients perceive standardized systems as more reliable than custom approaches. This shift requires a fundamental change in mindset. You stop thinking like a service provider and start thinking like a software company. Your service becomes the product. Your automation becomes the delivery mechanism. Your expertise becomes the algorithm that powers the entire system. But productizing your service is just the foundation. The real magic happens when you automate the entire client journey from first contact to final delivery. And the system I am about to reveal handles everything automatically. Lead generation that finds qualified prospects, onboarding that closes deals without sales calls, and fulfillment that delivers results while you sleep. The third component? It is already generating 6 figures for early adopters. The complete one-person agency system operates on 3 automated pillars: lead generation, onboarding, and fulfillment. Each pillar eliminates the need for human intervention while maintaining the quality clients expect. Let me show you exactly how each one works. Pillar 1 is automated lead generation through personalized cold outreach. The traditional approach requires hiring sales development representatives to research prospects and craft individual messages. The automated approach uses AI to handle both research and personalization at scale. Here is the step-by-step process. You start with a tool like Clay or Apollo to build targeted prospect lists based on specific criteria: industry, company size, recent funding, job postings, or technology usage. The AI then researches each prospect automatically. It visits their LinkedIn profile, company website, recent press releases, and social media activity. Within seconds, it identifies personalized talking points that would resonate with that specific prospect. Next, the AI crafts personalized outreach messages using frameworks you provide. Not generic templates, but truly personalized messages that reference specific details about their business, recent achievements, or industry challenges. The system then sends these messages across multiple channels: LinkedIn, email, and even direct mail for high-value prospects. Marcus Rodriguez built a lead generation agency using this exact system. In 6 months, he generated 847 qualified leads for B2B software companies without sending a single manual message. His average response rate was 23%, compared to the industry average of 3% for cold outreach. Pillar 2 is instant onboarding through automated workflows. When a prospect expresses interest, traditional agencies schedule discovery calls, create custom proposals, and negotiate terms. This process takes weeks and loses deals to faster competitors. The automated approach handles everything instantly. The moment someone responds positively to your outreach, a Zapier workflow triggers automatically. It sends a personalized video explaining your service, includes social proof from similar clients, and presents a clear next step. If they want to move forward, they click a link that takes them to a qualification form. This is not a generic contact form. It is a smart questionnaire that adapts based on their responses. If they indicate they are a SaaS company, it asks SaaS-specific questions. If they mention they need content marketing, it focuses on content-related qualifications. Once they complete the form, the system automatically generates a custom proposal using their specific information. Pricing, timeline, deliverables, and terms are all calculated based on predefined rules you set up once. The proposal includes a digital contract they can sign immediately and an invoice they can pay online. No back-and-forth negotiations, no scheduling calls, no delays. Lisa Park used this system to close 34 deals in her first quarter without conducting a single sales call. Her average time from initial interest to signed contract was 47 minutes. Compare that to the industry average of 18 days for B2B service sales. Pillar 3 is AI-powered fulfillment that delivers client work automatically. This is where most people think automation hits a wall. How can you deliver high-quality creative work without human involvement? The answer lies in understanding what clients actually value versus what they think they want. Clients think they want custom strategies and original thinking. What they actually value is consistent results delivered on time. The automated fulfillment system focuses on delivering those results through proven frameworks. For content marketing clients, the system uses AI to research their industry, identify trending topics, and generate content briefs. It then creates initial drafts using their brand voice and style guidelines you captured during onboarding. For SEO clients, it conducts keyword research, analyzes competitor strategies, and generates optimization recommendations. For social media clients, it creates posting schedules, writes captions, and even generates image concepts. The key is positioning this as the initial draft or foundation that your expertise has refined. Clients receive work that appears thoughtfully crafted because the AI follows sophisticated prompts you developed through experience. David Kim built a content marketing agency that serves 47 clients simultaneously using this approach. His AI system produces 200 pieces of content monthly while maintaining quality standards that earn 94% client satisfaction scores. The system handles research, ideation, first drafts, and even basic optimization. David reviews and approves everything, but his actual work time is about 6 hours per week. The one-person agency model is not just possible, it is inevitable. As AI tools become more sophisticated and accessible, the competitive advantage shifts from having more people to having better systems. The entrepreneurs who build these systems now will dominate their markets while traditional agencies struggle with overhead and complexity. Your blueprint starts with 3 immediate actions. First, Identify one service you can productize using the service as a software model. Second, set up automated lead generation using Clay or Apollo for research and AI for personalization. Third, create an instant onboarding workflow using Zapier that handles everything from qualification to contract signing. The future belongs to the builders of systems, not the managers of people. Start building yours today. If this video opened your eyes to what is possible with AI automation, subscribe for more insights that can transform your business. And leave a comment telling me which pillar you are most excited to implement first.